Hello, welcome back to Blender CC Live Modeling. In this video, I want to show you a bit of technique to turn your live photo that you took using iPhone or iPad into an augmented reality experience. So the steps is kind of interesting, I think, so I want to share it with you. So I took a live photo of my corgi, right? And he's doing this jump. It's a very short one, only like around 2 seconds. I thought this is kind of cute. I want to make this into live photo AR that I can be shared. So yeah, I'm using Blender and I'm gonna turn it into AR very quickly. First of all, I'm gonna go to video editing. We're gonna edit the clip so it can become like an image sequence. So I just drag and drop the video. You can see the video is kind of rotated. What's the size of this video? Let me check. So this video is around, let me quickly check, oops, 1080, 1440, 1080, 1440. Right, but it's kind of rotated, so I'm gonna get rid of the audio for now, but we can keep it actually. And then I'm gonna rotate this stripe. I'm gonna transform it, and I believe I can simply rotate this rotations. Okay, minus 90 position. Okay, position stay as it is. Scale, I'm just gonna scale it by eyes, can be more accurate. I guess I can crop it. All right, so we have this. So in Blender 2.81, I believe if you run this clip, it should be kind of cached properly if you turn off, if you use frame dropping or something, or no. Well, anyway, so that's the range of the clip. It's around 53 frames. Okay, so that's pretty good. I better save it. Save as corgi clip 001. So render animations, you can actually, you should specify the locations of the output. So instead of temporary folder, we're gonna put it inside the folder, corgi sequence, accept, render animations. So this one is actually quite large. Let me cancel this. Let's reduce the size, divided by 2. This one divided by 2. So that's a little bit better. Let's make it even smaller. So small pixel size is better because we're gonna turn it into animation flipbook. So render, oops, not like that. Render animations. Okay, done. 53 frames around. And now I'm gonna bring the animation frames into Blender, bring it back into 3D, import the images as planes, and I'm gonna grab the corgi sequence. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 53 frames. They should be in sequence. I'm not gonna use the alpha channel, just import them. So we have them here. I'm gonna tap M, create new collections, name it corgis. So we have a collections with all the corgi frames underneath. File, save as. So this is gonna be animation nodes, flipbook. So with AR and Apple USDZ, they don't actually allow animated GIF or animated PNG or video inside AR experience yet. But this is a quick trick that allows you to do so. It's actually pretty simple. You just stack all the image on top of each other, and then you kind of shift the image for every frame. So here, this is all the image, right? We're gonna now open switch to animation nodes. Where is animation nodes? It's not showing up. Pretty sure I have animation nodes here. Animation nodes. Yes, I did. I'm using Blender 2.81a. Should be showing here. That's virtual. Let me close this very quickly. Reopen Blender. Split this into half. Here we go, animation nodes. Let's open up and Flipbook. File, save as. So inside animation nodes, we can quickly grab the collection, and we're gonna grab our corgi. Oh, it's become really slow. Let me turn off always and just use this 3. Get the corgi, and we're gonna use distribute matrices. We're gonna use linear. So I can show you with grid first. So then object matrix or object transform output. So I'm just using the locations of every object, and then I can arrange it using grid, for example. So with grid, you get this kind of arrangement. But with line, we can stack it very, very quickly. In this case, we really want to rotate it properly. So in the first, we rotate it in the x-axis, 90 degree, and we want to stack this image in the y-axis. So we're gonna use the vector. We're gonna use separate vector and then combine vector. Plug this x into the y and plug this vector back into the locations, and we should have the stack of the corgi. How many frames do we have? 53. So 53 specify. Okay, now we have stack of image. Right, you can see my hand there. There's the corgi, and yeah, we are actually getting there. We just need to shift this list of locations. Shift list, and then the amount of shift is based on the frame. So the total frame should be 53, and now I'm shifting this. So yeah, it's actually already working, and I just need to squeeze this stack of image. Now we kind of have like a flipbook animations. Okay, this should work for 50 frames of animation, 53 frames. If you have like hundreds or thousands of frames, animations, and then export it as USDZ, it's gonna start to get slow, but in this case, it's still kind of okay, especially for live photo. Should be live photo can be like 3 to 9 seconds, I believe. So you can keep it under 100 frames and it should be fine. Now you have these objects. You simply bake it out with animation nodes. You can go under developer and then under overview and then bake to keyframes. So now it's baking the animations into keyframes. You can delete the nodes. Now it's baked and it's fast. You go file, save as, baked, and then file, export, GLD. This is how I bake it out as USDZ for Apple AR. The animated sequence should work. Generally, this a lot, like multiple objects and multiple animations, can be pretty heavy for the iPhone or the iPad. It might get warm. There's another techniques where you use like multiple bones, single objects. Oh, look at that. There's something funky at the beginning there. So what is that? Yeah, sometimes you get that, but and it's not double-sided, but it's okay. In this case, it's actually working really well. And you can send it to your family and friends. This is just like an animated image, animated GIF. If you are using Reality Composer, you can actually set it up so when the user tap on the image, it's gonna make this animation. So that's actually more appealing. So that's the quick rundown on how you can create this. I actually made another version somewhere using the Die Hard, and this is actually kind of funny, right? Bruce Willis, Die Hard, Christmas. All right, so that's quick technique. Hopefully you find this useful. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.